Hi friends, welcome to another video on Essential Life Skills with me, Richa. Today we're going to talk about how to have personal growth. Well, to take this active decision of going on your own personal journey of growth and development is the first step that you have taken in order to have a better and a brighter future. Although it's going to be yours and only yours journey alone, well, what we can do is help you with certain tools and tips in order to make the most of your life. Well, so what exactly is this personal growth and development? Personal growth and development is a transformative process which will help you improve all aspects of life, be it physical, emotional, financial, psychological. In all aspects of your life, you improve your life. Well, what happens is, what triggers this transformative process is the very fact that you want to improve and empower yourself to realize your full potential, and no one else can have a better understanding of what your full potential is except for you. So today in this module, we are going to talk about how to have a lot of inputs on how to improve your personal growth, because this is something which will help you improve yourself and have a satisfying and a meaningful life. Better relationships in your personal life, better relationships at your workplace, improvement in your self-esteem and self-confidence, and a general bigger and a better overview of world. So friends, keep watching on the tools and tips which I'm going to share with you very shortly on this. So friends, I'm going to tell you, or rather teach you 8 tips in order to improve or rather have a personal growth. The first tip is read a lot. Well, all the people who have really improved their personal growth and development are people who are very intelligent and well learned. So what I would suggest is take at least 1 hour from your day and commit yourself to reading anything and everything about whatever you like. So what happens is, when you read a lot, your mind opens up and you are somebody who is very intelligent to talk to and has a worldwide view about things. So take time out. I know it's not easy when you have so many things in your life to do, in your 24 hours to do, you want to do this, that and everything. However, what I would suggest is just commit yourself to remove this 1 hour and do it consistently and diligently. You will see so much of difference after a month of reading 1 hour every day. So start doing this, friends. My tip number 2 is try and be consistent or committed to physical fitness. Well, it's important to understand that a healthy body has a healthy mind, and that's why it's important to exercise or do any kind of physical training which will help you keep fresh and a focused look on life. I personally do this every single day, at least 5 days in a week. Commit yourself to run, jog, swim, play any kind of sport, because the moment you do this, you really feel good about yourself, and when you feel good about yourself, you are on your way to have personal growth and development. So that's my tip number 2. Friends, my tip number 3 in order to have personal growth is nurture relationships. We are so much surrounded by technology, Facebook, social media, Instagram, etc., that we have stopped giving attention to relationships. So whatever relationship you might be in, either in your personal or professional life, try and give a lot of time and nurture these relationships, because ultimately money is not important. Yes, it is important, but not at the cost of relationships. So give your time, and I would rather say give quality time and not just quantity time when you're not even there with your people and just busy on applications and technology. So give quality time and nurture these beautiful relationships that you have in your life. And that's my 3rd tip, friends. So friends, my 4th tip in order to have personal growth is get yourself out of your comfort zone. I know it's really nice and cozy and warm to be in your comfort zone all the time, but if you really truly want to push yourself to different limits in your life, you need to get out of your comfort zone and start tackling life in a different manner. I know it's not going to be easy to get out of your comfort zone. Trust me, this is the most difficult thing to do for human beings. When they are comfortable, nobody likes to be kicked out of the comfort zone. But if you want to really realize your true potential in life, you need to get out of your comfort zone and start doing things which are challenging and not comfortable. So that's my 4th tip. Friends, my fifth tip in order to really have your own life in your personal growth is by trying and learning new experiences. So try and do something new every day and learn from these new experiences, because ultimately life is not what you read in your school books, in your college days or school days. Life is what you truly do it in a practical manner. So learn new things or learn new experiences or go and travel, because travel can really teach you a lot of things about yourself and about the world in general. So get out and try and do something new every day and learn from these new experiences, and that's what life is all about. Friends, my sixth number tip is fear, or rather conquer your fears. Face your fears. It's important to see that you are really trying to conquer your fears by challenging your fears and moving out of your fear zone. So life is what is on the other side of fear, and at times we fill in our mind so much of fearful thoughts which are actually not even true. We just try and console ourselves to not do something because we feel fearful about it. So that's important. You understand, face your fears and get out of your comfort zone, because you need to face your fears if you really want to achieve your true potential and your personal growth and development. So that's tip number 6 for you. So friends, my seventh tip in order to know or have your personal growth is venture out on your own. I did this very funny thing a couple of years back when I was really irritated and frustrated and did not know which direction my life was really going. I was feeling so bogged down and low that what I did is I just got up, packed my bags and left, without knowing where I'm going, what is my destination, how will I get there. Absolutely zero idea about all of these things. I literally just left without a plan. And that is something at times which you need to do for yourself to know your personal growth and development. So try and move out by yourself, venture out on your own. Do not need company all the time. You can be your best company. If you do not enjoy your own company, means you're not very confident with yourself or really like to spend time with yourself. So what I would suggest is get out, travel the world, do things and just venture out on your own without looking for a company to do everything. And that's my seventh tip, my dear friends. My eighth tip in order to have a personal growth is do go out and help people and do good karmas. It's very important to understand that you will only go far in life if you help other people, the poor, the needy, the people who are not as much blessed as probably what you are. We all never count our blessings. We only complain about things we do not have. And that's something that I would really want to bring your attention to. Don't always crib and complain. Try and see how much you are blessed with. Small things like we have our hands, we can see things. There are people who cannot even do that. They cannot walk because they have no legs, and we are always cribbing and complaining about things. Try and go out and help people who are needy, who are not as blessed as you. Accumulate good karmas in your life, and that's tip number 8 to have personal growth and development in life. So friends, here is a quick recap of all the 8 tips that we have discussed on how to have personal growth. So tip number 1, read a lot. Tip number 2, commit yourself to physical fitness. Tip number 3, nurture relationships. Tip number 4, push yourself out of your comfort zone. Tip number 5, face your fears. Tip number 6, try and help people with their good karmas. Tip number 7, venture out on your own. And tip number 8, try new experiences in life. Well, we do hope you have enjoyed this video, and we have truly enjoyed speaking to you on this. Till the next video, keep watching and keep smiling. Thank you.